Yeah, I hear you.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Ready? Yep.
Nugget Chihojif Kadawa.
Edward Harjo.
Then Jijo Ladidawa.
Oklahoma.
Say. Najuin. Brother and sister Ostidawanga.
Well, I had 4. They all gone though. No sisters. But there was 4, 5, 6 of them. I never seen the youngest men, the oldest sisters I had. I never seen them.
Uh-huh. I'm not here. COVID Maga. Chinoke Jadidawa.
No.
Mungo.
Uh-uh.
Mahia Mvskoke Obanaga Mat Pun Jinjogo Bonayak Chidawanga.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Moe. Hia Tijadi Bonaga Mat Chimbonaga Dawanga.
Uh-huh.
Tijadin Madawanga.
Uh-huh.
Nga. Hia ki ing nagi tijadi bonaga unga tihetki tuwi chigi sadidi.
Well, first was when I went to school. Then I had it mixed up with that one. I couldn't hardly understand what they were saying first, but I did after that.
Uh-huh.
That's the only way I know.
Whereas man chigi man jijo liwedidi
Uh-huh.
tijadi bonaga.
Uh-huh.
Nga hia Mvskoke Migo Sapka Jogo Pomanayichi ha Tanalichidawa
Greenleaf Baptist Church in Okima.
Manalichida
Uh-huh.
Shet Kidada Banga Owa Tanalichidawa Pomanachi ha Mada.
Okay, I've been to Greenleaf, New Ground, Hickory Ground, Arbica, New York, Tallahassee, Peace Ground, Hickory Ground. Went to Tamirua, Horn Post, and everywhere.
That then Adi then Jimalegadawa Ashilanabi Manalichidawa Nga Klanda Nadocha
Green, Win.
Win Hodogagi Hanyuit Ajulagi that positive influence Kejaka do it role model Ahiji Chidawanga.
What is it now?
Role model Maga. Then Nangejigidi Agisaji Chidawanga Chijola.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna tell you about that one too. You know, growing up like that,
Uh-huh.
just get out of over. Sinda was a ego hoko wala sinad. Hili lui anda tarungi mas magilugin. Pumon I no.
Uh-huh.
That's what he used to say.
Uh-huh.
Say when y'all grew up, y'all got to know. He said. I said, okay.
Hiya Mvskoke identity Maga Istagi Tuwagidis Koncha.
Yeah, all right. Easy to swear.
Uh-huh. Nga hiya Pidagi Hanyuit Libochkuji Ajolaga Mada Ponayaga Gislaga Di Gonchidoa.
Yeah, that's what I always think to myself. Just like them grandkids, like Barbara's kids.
Mm-hmm.
When I get a little wild, I got to learn more. Especially the oldest ones.
Mhm.
They don't even talk to you in Creek, or that's it, they talk in English.
Mhm.
I said, that's what I got to learn. It's like your brother, your uncle passed away. I said, Glenn, he used to talk Creek and English too.
Mhm.
I said, you're supposed to be like him. You had to school with the English all the way. And then, well, I don't hardly want to listen.
Aha. Hiya. Hiya obanaga toza pomanachi ha. Stijadi bonagan.
Which was
Share about the language.
Oh.
Maga. Pomanachi ha
yeah,
stijadi.
Creek,
Aha.
Malata. You know how you wouldn't do. When you talk to people who could like I could talk to you talk to him or not. And I got the his kid nunga. Tijari limbo nagano kisi gudo not. Englishman man said Creek no I'm one out on that. He could probably catch it too more nation. And I didn't know nothing about that till I got up to about 8 or 9. I mean 7 my just because I was on a yoga. My mom was there even now. But it's kind of easy for, like elders like us,
Mhm.
But we could catch it real good. And sometimes it's hard to, what they used to say. Okay, now he just was able to see about, I see that now, Even like shake hands with people. Just don't jump up and shake hands, just kind of watch the people. More easy. I'll be watching how you sit, how you do this, how you do that. I never did notice it. Now I do, I guess that's a lot. Some of them goes up and up and up. And you thought that these are not, sometimes maybe level. Sometimes it goes up a little higher, get level. One I didn't do it, and I always sit there and think about it. And it's the only way I can know what I could understand the time when, like my dad and my mom, my grandma and all them, I know that, but when I got, they won't say nothing about it no more. I always think that way. How come they don't understand Greek, If these are in the Mayan living, they'd never understand what you're talking about. I see that every day. I see that down the casino too. I'm one that he was talking to me in Greek. I don't know who he is, but he was English.
Mhm. Hiya. Na ona goji oji chidowa. Oneida.
One is about it.
Aha.
I got one or two of them.
Chijoladi. Stijadi. Obanagalman pomanachi ha.
Okay, man. How you doing, though? That old house we used to have in Cromwell there. South side, there was a water well, wood pile, bathroom over here. My dad just got out of had chairs out there. He used to tell us like this, my girl, I even see Munayaganda. Sinango sa igot, kukuli wala kasi na history. There's 4 years old nunga. Hanga digi yabahit sahit, the manayan once another. Yabah sahit, once another. Tangi matsit ko sa Kisli Palace, my girl. Okay, we used to walk down that woods, the oldest one, Red Boy Hilstiger. Okay, he used to be with us. Toen mag toch wel ja maken, good. Okay, when I used to be in. He kept telling us how you will nog gemaakt. How you just recommend. He just said, maar dan gooi je nog wat. Nou, dan ga je aan. Je doet nog wat. Okay, maar dat village is verlucht here. Kept going. We went up the hill to the other section. When we used to him at the evening time. I see you leg he said, man. Right there, man. He said, man, look all ahead. Nugget was good to have I said, sticking you in there and get him out of the man. So you think what to do, man. You leg it because I said, we're coming back. We got back to the house. Okay, Red was still in his dad. Hold on. I just still no leg of this thing. We saw something. We see what was like even gas and not slept to sleep TV. We saw on how was able to like kill him, my God. Do we really just see him, my God? I said, we ain't got no way to kill it, lad. So he sent up to against it, Red Boy getting. Yeah, of course, all this is all him, my God. We went up where he went there. But that night we heard it. Red Boy over to know. He used to go outside and chase that thing. One night, we never caught up with that thing, whoever it was. But after Red Boy shot him, we found out who he was. You probably know him anyway, but I ain't gonna say the name though. He might come in here. But it's a long story. Even among the stations. The only part I knew is my grandma's house. My grandma used to live in Cromwell, at the main castle. That's what same way with her too. Do we just fully watching that Serungi Noir? Do what's a lady had a magazine? She can't even tell, you know. More magazine with that. It's all I got that. And the magazine though. Grandkids in magazine though. Magazine with that. But we never go back over there. We never been over there. So never been there. Never been since you've been gone. Sometimes I think about it. If I had left out to me, been all right. Never have. I never seen the house inside. It just been there. She's been going over 14, I mean about 20-some years. I've never been in that house. Don't know what it looked like in there no more. That old cook stove, everything. As far as I know about it.